Yeah. All right, gang, let's check them out. What we got today that I want to show you a little bit is these Chalkola chalk markers. These were liquid chalk markers. If you've never seen these markers are not quite like your typical markers. They are what's called a liquid chalk. It's not like your typical marker ink. It looks and feels a little bit different, and so it does look like a chalk once it dries. And so these markers are bright, they're vibrant, they're designed to go on a lot of different things. Paper is really not the best medium to put these on. It is designed to go on like glass boards and chalkboards and things like that. But you can see they are big, they are bright, and the way they work is actually this tip retracts into the body of the marker itself to load it up with a little bit more ink. And as you can see right here, it's not your typical style ink. And what I love about this is it comes in a lot of beautiful colors. Included a silver and a gold marker, so it has a little bit of shine to it. But one of the things I love is because this is a liquid chalk and not a typical ink marker, you can get a white inside of it as well. And so these also set up a little bit different than your typical markers. When you first open this, here's one I haven't opened, you'll see the tip here is just kind of white, and you actually have to prime the tip, and it takes a little bit of work to get it going, but once it gets going, man, these write so incredibly. They look so good. The colors are so vibrant. Look, if you are looking for something to write on like a glass board or a chalkboard, I think these are the way to go. These are the Chalkola liquid chalk markers. It's a 10 count with a bunch of different colors, including silver, gold, and white. Check them out today. I don't think you're going to be disappointed.